we will be able to attract people from overseas, to come and have their conference at Rusea High School. I said, listen, go back and Google a La Liga or a Premier League changing facility, and we're going to build something exactly like any one of those state-of-the-art changing facilities.
11-time DaCosta Cup champions Rusea High School is to benefit from a state-of-the-art changing room facility, which is to be built courtesy of the Rusea's brother-sister foundation, Brosis. At the groundbreaking, which took place on Saturday, December 17, President of Brosis, Troy Malcolm, explained that the foundation is thinking big and has as its long-term vision to develop the Collin Miller Sports Complex into a facility which meets the highest international standards.
I'm Troy Malcolm, President of the Rusea's Brothers Foundation, Inc., former captain, former coach of Rusea High School between the year 1983 to 1991. Well, actually, our foundation is 2 years in the making, and we have some broad vision for Rusea High School. We think it's only fitting for us to give back to our alma mater, and one of the first projects that we actually want to do or undertake is the erection of a state-of-the-art changing room facility at Rusea High School. Well, actually, we have brainstormed together, and what I've said to my colleagues or my members is that, listen, why think locally, right? I said, listen, go back and Google a La Liga or a Premier League changing room facility, and we're going to build something exactly like any one of those state-of-the-art changing facilities on the professional scene.
The Collin Miller Sports Complex was named in honor of late Principal Collin P. Miller, who died in 1989, and under whose leadership Rusea's dominated national schoolboy football in the 1980s.
We come up with a state-of-the-art changing room that includes a conference room. And many people are saying, why a conference room? And we're saying, why not a conference room? Because we will be able to attract people from overseas, to come and have their conference at Rusea High School. But that's just the first project. Project 2 or 3, we have a 30 male and female dorm that we're planning to also erect. But then also we have a state-of-the-art gym, where paid membership gym. So where people from within the community can also utilize. So what that means is that it will also involve the community by also, once they pay their fee, what that does, it generates funds for the school, and we can upkeep the complex, and we also can share it in the academia sides of it. We have been down here on the ground for the past 4 days, right? We have employed already mason, plumber. We have erected that light pole over there. We have transformed the entrance down there at Rusea High School. We have revived the Collin Miller sign that you see down there. So we have done many things so far, but we also got to employ local skilled workers to work on the project. So that's selling it by itself. We want to attract even the Major League Soccer teams, even the Division 1 and 2nd Division from England, to come over and utilize the facility when it's completed. But we have great minds on the board, and we have great members on our team that we're thinkers, but we're also doers. So after 2 years, we start to plan to erect a state-of-the-art facility here. So that's huge for a young organization like us.
Do you think you would be able to get your funding? How are you going to raise the funds?
Okay, it takes cash to care, right? So at the end of the day, we also have a building block drive going on. All right, and you can check that out on our website. Now, my CFO here, Mr. Gregory Malcolm, he can also shed some light on that. But also, we have different fundraising initiatives on the North America side. But we want to also incorporate. That's why we are here right now, to help have the local, even the school members, get involved. Corporate America, if you're out there, we need your support. Corporate Jamaica, if you're out there, we need your support. We cannot do this alone.
The project will value about how much you think?
Roughly before the pandemic, before inflation, it was around 20 to 25 mil. It's probably up about 30 mil now.
US dollars?
Jamaican dollars.
Jamaican dollars. So thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
and
much.
thank you for your vision.
In attendance at the event to break ground was iconic coach, technical director, and chemistry teacher Emerson Diggy Henry. Henry coached multiple teams of Rusea's schoolboys to DaCosta Cup, Olivia Shield, and Ben Francis knockout titles. Present Principal Donna Anderson and former Principal June Thompson, themselves Rusea's old girls, were also on hand at the function. Established in 1777, Rusea's, which has 2 campuses and a population of approximately 2,000, is the 4th oldest high school in Jamaica. Brosis is a non-profit organization which was established in May 2020 by past students of Rusea's with the aim of assisting in the development of the institution. The Rusea's Brother-Sister Foundation was established to provide support for the school's educational, sporting, and cultural programs, and to provide a positive and uplifting environment for students, teachers, and the entire school community. The mission of Brosis is to provide support and create mechanisms for the progressive development of infrastructure and facilities, and the provision of technical expertise for the advancement of education, sport, and culture at Rusea's High School.